Okay then, let's look at piece of cake. Piece of cake, something easy. Reading that book was a piece of cake. Reading all these books is a piece of cake. Teaching English is a piece of cake. Driving, oh, I love driving. Piece of cake. Easy. I tell you what is not a piece of cake. Spanish language, different. The sentence structure is just different compared to English, so it's not a piece of cake. It's quite hard. Something is easy. Let's think, what else is easy? Walking, biking. Riding my bike is a piece of cake. How cool is that? Raining cats and dogs. When it is raining heavy, it is raining cats and dogs out there. So today is Tuesday, and a week ago, just about, it was raining cats and dogs over the past 2 or so weeks. But as of Sunday, it has not been raining cats and dogs. It's been very sunny weather, very bright, very nice. I like it a lot. How cool is that? And let the cat out the bag to reveal a secret, whether by accident or not. It is too late. The cat is out the bag now. Don't talk to him. You might let the cat out the bag. If you say that, the cat might be out the bag. If you do this or do that, the secret is out. It's true. Careful what you say, careful what you do. Otherwise, the secret will be out. How cool is that? So, piece of cake, easy. 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 Raining cats and dogs, raining heavily. Let the cat out the bag to reveal a secret, whether by accident or not. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.